A320. Alternate law. Flight control system. Reconfiguration of control laws. Depending on failures occurring to the flight control system or on its peripherals, there are three levels of reconfigurations. Alternate law, direct law, mechanical backup. Alternate law. In flight, amber X's replace the green double bars on the PFD, and an ECAM flight control alternate law indicates that the aircraft flight control laws have changed from normal to alternate law. Alternate law can be with or without protections. Pitch control. Flight mode. In flight, the alternate law pitch mode follows a load factor demand law much as the normal law, with auto trimming in changes of speed or configuration, but has reduced protections. There is no pitch attitude protection. Flare mode. In pitch alternate law, the flight mode changes to the pitch direct law when the pilot selects landing gear down. The flare mode is a direct stick-to-elevator relationship with manual trimming by the THS, direct law. Ground mode. Under alternate law, the ground mode becomes active on the ground 5 seconds after touchdown. It is identical to the ground mode of the normal law. It is a direct relationship between side stick deflection and elevator deflection without auto trim. It automatically sets the trimmable horizontal stabilizer at 0 degrees inside the green band. Lateral control. When the aircraft is flying in pitch alternate law, lateral control follows roll direct law. It is direct stick-to-control surface movement relationship using ailerons and spoilers 4 and 5. Roll rate is automatically limited to about 30 degrees per second in clean configuration and 25 degrees per second when slats are extended. The rate of roll is higher than normal law, and the aircraft appears to be very sensitive at first. There is no bank angle protection. Yaw alternate law. The turn coordination function is lost and the pilot controls yaw with the rudder pedals. Only the yaw damping function is available. Damper authority is limited to plus or minus 5 degrees of rudder deflection. Protections and limitations. Load factor limitations. Plus 2.5 G to minus 1 G for clean configuration. Plus 2 G to 0 for other configurations. Low speed stability. An artificial low speed stability replaces the normal angle of attack protection. It is available in all slat flap configurations, active from about 5 knots up to about 10 knots above stall warning speed. A gentle progressive nose-down signal is introduced, which tends to keep the speed from falling below these values. The system also introduces bank angle compensation, so the aircraft effectively maintains a constant angle of attack. The PFD speed scale is modified to show a black and red barber pole below the stall warning. An audio stall warning
Stall
is activated at an appropriate margin from the stall condition. The alpha floor protection is inoperative. High speed stability. Above VMO or MMO, a nose-up demand is introduced to avoid an excessive increase in speed. In addition, the oral overspeed warning, VMO plus 4 knots or MMO plus 0.006, remains available. Alternative law without protections. This is identical to alternate law except that it does not include the low speed stability or the high speed stability. It includes only the load factor limitation.